Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the problem Windows Security Center service can't be started. Let's fix it guys. For that go to search menu and type services. Click on open it guys. Search for security center. Double click on it and check whether the startup type is automatic. If the service status is stopped, you just want to start it. Select apply and OK. After you just need to set for Windows management instrumentation, double click on it. The same thing, startup type change to automatic, and if the service status is stopped, you just want to start it. Select apply and OK. And the one more thing, want to search for remote procedure call remote procedure call or PC. Double click on it and check whether the startup type is automatic and service status is stopped. You just want to start it. Select apply and OK. After doing this, close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. And after restarting your PC, your problem will be resolved. And if you're still having a problem, let's move on to the second solution guys. For that, go to search menu and type registry editor. Click on open it. Select yes. In here you just want to go to hkey local machine and go to system, expand the system and expand the current control set and expand the services and expand. You just need to search for WSC SVC service, WSC SVC service. You just want to click on it. And at this point you just need to check my file location, file path guys. Check in my video, I will zoom in on checking it. After checking it, right side you just need to double click on the start and value data you just need to set to 2. And after setting this, click OK and go back. For changes take effect, you just want to close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, your problem resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.